This tutorial will cover how to navigate the U.S. Major Dailies Database. First, visit the library webpage at www.rockvalleycollege.edu/library. Next, scroll down and select Library Databases and list it alphabetically. Select the letter U and the U.S. Major Dailies Database. If you're trying to access databases from off-campus, you may be presented with this screen. Simply log in using your student or employee ID number at rockvalleycollege.edu. Note that it's important to leave out the student portion of your email address. Your password for the login will be the same as your RVC network password. Once you're taken to the main database page, scroll down and you'll notice a list of included databases. To search a specific news source, select the title you wish to search. You will be taken to a search page for that title where you can enter search terms and narrow your results to full text, meaning the whole article. You can also select Advanced Search to conduct a more detailed search. Remember to select Full Text if you only wish to see the articles that are fully available to you. You can also use the Advanced Search function to view the most recent articles. Using the drop-down next to publication date, change all dates to last 7 days and select Search. The results will bring a list of articles from your selected news source that were published within the last 7 days. To open an article, simply select the title to view the article's full text. From this screen, you can also view more publication details about the article. If you'd like to save an article to view later, you can use the tools in the upper right-hand corner of the page to save as a PDF, email to yourself, print, save to the cloud, and more. You can also obtain citations for the article so that you can quickly include them in your reference list. Simply scroll down on the drop-down menu until you find the appropriate citation style for your class. Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel for additional tutorials.